Hi guys, today we are going to talk about what exactly the search engine optimization is. And before diving into the search engine optimization, let's talk about what exactly the search engines are. So search engines are something where you can type whatever the information you are looking for and you will get the accurate information that people are posting on the internet. So here you can see when I type what is SEO, here I'm getting lots of information with some blogs, some other SEO books, news, and all of these things that are Google showing to me. And you will also find some of the videos that are related to what is SEO and how does SEO work. All of these things. So how does it work, and what the idea behind it? So basically, you can see like you always people always talk about the data centers of the Google. So what exactly the data centers are? Basically, Google are storing the lots of information that are coming from the internet. Like people are having their website and they are crawling every single thing, and they were storing that particular information into their data centers. And they are picking the information and very relevant information from their data center by using algorithm and showing into the search engine result pages. So whatever you are looking for, they will gonna show you with a most accurate and most relevant information over here. So I'm looking for the data center, so you can see like they are showing us like a data center, what exactly the data centers are. And here's the Wikipedia, which is a very which is having a very high domain authority and all of these things. I mean, lots of SEO factor does matter in order to rank your website on the top of the search engine result pages. And basically, data center, how the data center work, they Google are using algorithm in order to fetch the data from their data centers. So basically, what exactly the algorithms are? So algorithms are the set of rule where you can find whatever you want. I mean, it is a set of rule where you suppose you want to do something like you want to search something. You have a lot you have a lots of information written in a particular sheet, and you want to pick a name. Then you will definitely gonna use a kind of algorithm in order to pick that particular key, pick that particular word. So Google using like a different type of algorithm in order to rank the pages, in order to crawl the pages. So here you can see there's an algorithm called PageRank, which is used for Google search engine to rank web pages. Basically, this is only for rank the web pages. And right now Google launched another algorithm that is called RankBrain. And RankBrain is a machine learning algorithm. It is a way different algorithm. Like it's it is the top of the algorithm that Google are using right now. So basically, what exactly the uh, AI algorithm are, machine learning algorithms are. So basically, these kind of algorithms are capable of predicting what kind of information people are searching for, what is the right information, what is the wrong information. And kind of a human brain, like artificial intelligence systems are kind of a human intelligence along with the machine, machine things. So that's how the search engine exactly work. So in order to do the search engine optimization, there are lots of lots of things that you need to do. So suppose if I search for what is SEO, so here you can see Google is showing me the moz.com. This is the article written by the moz.com. Okay. And this particular website blog post is ranking top of the search engine result pages. So basically, here you can see SEO profiler.com and all of these things. But Moz is very good at providing the right information. So basically, Moz is ranking top of the search engine result page. And here you can see the reason behind it, why this is ranking. So here you can see they have lots of information in just one single page, and every single page, other pages are connected to this particular page. So here you can see like they have heading tag which is already optimized. So here I'm typing what exactly what is SEO is, and here you can see over here they exact the same word is popping up over here. And Google algorithm will gonna match exact same keyword. And I mean I was talking to you about the data center. So basically what the Google does, they will gonna pick this particular thing and use their algorithm which is a brain rank brain or page rank. I mean they will gonna use this particular algorithm, and they will gonna pick the data from their data centers and match it to match this keyword, whatever the blog and whatever the things people are written. So and that particular thing it will gonna show up to us. So that's how it works. Like it will gonna pick the keyword that you are searching for, and it will gonna show the accurate information over here. Okay, so let's look at this particular image. If I open this particular image in a new tab, here you can see like this image is having if I inspect, go to the inspect element. So let's see if I able to find this thing or not. Okay, so here you can see like Google will gonna have called alt tag. So what exactly the alt tag is? Google do not read any kind of image in their data center. They only read the keyword that are written. So basically what exactly the alt tags are, so let's leave it. I'll show you what exactly it is. Basically once you post any kind of picture, you provide alt tag in your image, and the reason behind it, because you are saying like what exactly your I mean what your picture is all about. So here they have already they have already posted a picture over here, and they put it all tagged, and Google can recognize this particular picture. So suppose if I'm searching for what is SEO is, and if I go over here and if I find some of the pictures, that is people some of the pictures over here. So you can see that what is SEO, and this is the moj.com this this particular blog, maybe the. So basically what yeah, you can see. So this particular image is also showing into the search engine result pages, which is the image section. So here you can see people will also gonna find your blog, your particular blog, through your images as well. So that's how everything work. Like Google will gonna crawl every single thing that you are written. And other things are also important, which is I'm not going to talk every single thing over here, but I can tell you like your URL will gonna matter. Like here you can see they are having HTTPS, which is a secured website, and also they are having a very accurate URL like learn SEO and what is SEO. So basically they are not having a lots of folders inside this. So Google crawler don't have to navigate lots of folders, and it will easily can find like learn SEO and what is SEO. So Google crawler will easily find it, and this is also a best SEO practice. And other thing is here you can see they have written like if I do something like if I open the page source, and if I find something called, if I type control F, and if I go to type a title over here. So here you can see in the title they have already okay, let's find where's the title. Okay, they have lots of things written over here. Title. Okay, so I need to find the title. So what exactly the title is, I'll show you. Title is basically something that what exactly your a particular blog is all about. So here's the title. So here you can see like they have written a title like what is SEO is. Okay, search engine optimizer 2021, and then Moz. So basically they have this website is very old, and they have very high domain authority, and they are posting every single thing whatever, and very very accurate information. So basically people are landing over this particular blog, and that's why they are ranking so much higher, and other people are also linking to this blog. Other they have lots of backlink in there. So basically lots of things will gonna matter in order to rank your website. And in order to help Google search engine algorithm, once you write your blog in a particular way, the way the search engine algorithm want, your website will gonna rank, and you have to make sure that you are giving the right and accurate information. So that's how everything works. I don't think so that I need to explain for further. You guys can have right information. So I'll definitely gonna talk about all of these detail, like what is on page SEO, what is off page SEO, what is technical SEO, all of the term, and we'll definitely gonna look at those particular things as well. And from now yeah, I think it's enough. So you can basically understand what exactly Google algorithm and what exactly Google search engine optimization work. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you see in the next tutorial. I'll definitely gonna talk about on page SEO and off page SEO and technical SEO as well. Thanks for watching.